Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. It's been such a hectic few weeks. I've been doing so many tech reviews and this is one of them. This is the DJI Action 2. We have the macro lens mod on it. It's going to help us with this unboxing video, but this isn't about that camera. It's about another DJI product that just came out. This is the DJI Mavic 3. Now I've been waiting for this drone. I've been using the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom and it's always part of my arsenal to get some creative drone shots. But now we have the DJI Mavic 3. This is the basic kit. It's not the Fly More or the Cine package, which is the other versions. So right now we're going to do a short unboxing, show you guys what's in this kit, set it up, charge it, get it ready for flight, and do some testing later. So let's do this. So what you're gonna get when you open the box is obviously the new DJI Mavic 3 drone. Now this has a new harness system which holds everything together. It holds the props in. What else we're gonna get in the box is the quick start manuals along with some spare propellers and also this remote. Now this isn't the remote that I want. I wanted to get the remote with the monitor built in. Hopefully they'll send us the upgrade later on, but for now this is the regular monitor or the regular controller where you just attach your phone. I guess here on top. We're gonna have to figure that out. Yep, the phone will attach there, and then charging brick and cables. So that's the basic setup for the box system, and then yeah, we're gonna just unfold this and show you guys. So that's how it goes along with that, and then there you go. So as the regular system is, we're just gonna unfold the front wings or the front blades and then roll under the back blades. And yeah, off the bat, it already looks a little bigger than the old drone, in terms of wingspan at least. And yes, more sensors, newer battery, and we need to charge that. We don't have any power, but there you go. This is the 2-camera system. You have the little camera up here, which is the 1/2-inch sensor, and then the front camera, which is the micro 4/3 sensor. Pretty cool that they've actually put 2 cameras in one, because the older drone systems, you'd have to buy the Mavic Zoom if you wanted to have a zoom lens, and then you have to buy the Cine if you wanted cinematic shots. Hey guys, I'm finally back in the farm and I was able to review the footage from the drone, and wow, the image quality is amazing. DJI really lives up to their slogan, image above everything. Now I want to go over some key highlights of what I like about this drone, starting off with the more aerodynamic package. Because the drone is more aerodynamic, we do get more flight time at 46 minutes, although we were averaging about 39 to 40 minutes because we were doing some full speed throttle filming in high wind conditions during the kiteboarding session. Now also the twin camera system is such a winner in my book. The Hasselblad camera is superb. It's super crisp and super clear. The zoom camera works well, although I would use it sparingly because after a certain point you do get some pixelation, as you can see in the video and photos that I took. Now the drone has more sensors than ever, although the advanced obstacle avoidance feature didn't work quite so well for me. I'll show you guys in the next few clips that you're going to see why. Now the drone also has the advanced return to home feature, which we weren't able to use because most of the time during the operation we were able to fly the drone back when we needed to. Now the drone also comes with the O3 Plus transmission system, which gives us about 15 kilometers of crystal clear range. Honestly, I wasn't able to try that because 10 kilometers out is pretty far already. Now I'm going to post the frame rates and resolutions of the drone over here so you guys can see what is given to us with this update. Because we got the software update, we needed to update this video. I know you're watching this in January, but the software update was available to us in December last year. It's just that I haven't had time to finish this specific video. Now obviously we had to try it again using and unlocking the master shot list and the Active Track 5.0. Now as you can see in the next few clips, the Active Track 5.0 works really well until it doesn't. Because there was electric lines when we were driving the Porsche, the drone did not see the electric lines and thus it snagged the rear arm, breaking off some propellers. Good thing the drone didn't crash. As you can see in the video, I was able to save it, replace the propellers, and actually try using the master shot list. Now the drone did incur some damage, but it's still flying, so we were able to finish this video. Overall, you're asking yourself, is it worth the upgrade? For me, coming from the DJI Mavic to zoom, I do think it is worth the upgrade. The twin camera sensor, the extended flight time, and just the overall picture quality. I do like this drone, and I want to thank DJI Philippines for sending me this drone and trusting me to do their product reviews. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.